Welcome to Foundations of Cloud Computing. In this introductory chapter, Learning AWS the Right Way, we'll explore how to truly build real AWS skills by moving beyond simple console clicking and embracing the power of the command line interface. Welcome to Chapter 1. Here, we'll dive into why CLI usage is crucial for developing authentic AWS proficiency. We'll compare the speed benefits of the CLI versus console clicks, illustrating how typing commands not only accelerates your workflow but also builds transferable skills that are highly valued in any technical role or interview. Let's directly compare what you actually learn when using the AWS Console versus the AWS CLI. With console clicking, you often end up memorizing button locations rather than core concepts. A single UI change from AWS can break your muscle memory, and it's challenging to repeat, script, or audit steps effectively. Moreover, it's hard to demonstrate what you can do in an interview with just clicks. In contrast, using AWS CLI commands forces you to learn the exact service, resource, and action names. These commands work consistently across different accounts, regions, and environments, making any task a repeatable, version-controlled script. Most importantly, commands provide tangible evidence of your skills, allowing you to easily paste them into interviews to showcase your capabilities. To build real muscle memory with AWS, you need to practice hands-on with the CLI. Here's a powerful 5-step approach. First, run AWS configure to set up your region, access keys, and output format. Second, use commands like AWS S3 MBS3:/ your bucket name to create resources instead of clicking through the S3 console. Third, launch an EC2 instance with AWS EC2 run instances, and critically, read every single flag to understand its purpose. Fourth, tear it down with AWS EC2 terminate instances and commit to repeating the entire process again tomorrow. Finally, for any new task, repeat it 3 days in a row before moving on. This deliberate repetition solidifies your understanding and skill. Beware of the tutorial trap. Watching a 4-hour AWS walkthrough can feel productive, but it often isn't. The trap is that you follow along, everything works, and you feel ready, until you open a blank terminal and can't remember the first command. The fix is simple. After about 10 minutes of watching, close the video and try to complete the task yourself. You'll get stuck, and that's precisely where the real learning happens. Look up one flag at a time, embrace that friction, because real skill is built in the gap between I watched it and I can do it alone. Let's summarize Chapter 1. Remember these high-impact takeaways. The AWS CLI teaches you fundamental AWS concepts, while the console often only teaches you button locations. AWS configure is your essential starting point, so run it today. Building true muscle memory requires consistent repetition, not just passive observation. Achieving comfort by following tutorials is not the same as possessing real, demonstrable skill. And finally, embracing the struggle and looking up solutions are integral features of the learning process, not signs of failure. Everything you've practiced today with the CLI is just the beginning. If you're ready to truly learn AWS the right way, I highly recommend getting the Foundations of Cloud Computing book. This comprehensive series covers AWS core services, provides hands-on labs, and includes real exam-style practice, all designed for you to work through at your own pace. You can find it available now on Amazon.